Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Due to the honorables, juries, teachers, and all the participants, how are you today? I hope you are fine and happy. Now, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kaisa Zahira, and I'm from MTsN 3 Kuningan. In this occasion, I will tell you the story about Roro Jonggrang. Let's enjoy the story. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom named Prambanan. The people lived peacefully. But, however, soon their happy lives were disturbed by Pengging Kingdom with the king Bandung Bondowoso. He wanted to occupy Prambanan. He was a mean king. The war between Prambanan and Pengging could not be avoided. Prambanan lost the war and led by the new king Bandung Bondowoso. Pengging could win the war because Bandung Bondowoso had a supernatural power. His soldiers were not only human, but also genies. Those creatures always obeyed Bandung Bondowoso. They always did whatever Bandung Bondowoso asked them to do. The king of Prambanan had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Roro Jonggrang. And Bandung Bondowoso fell in love and wanted to marry her. If you want to marry me, you have to build 1,000 temples in just one night, said Roro Jonggrang. She hated Bandung Bondowoso because he made the people of Prambanan suffer. What? Impossible! You just give me an excuse but not marry me, said Bandung Bondowoso. But he did not give up. He asked the genies to help him. And then all those genies worked hard to build the 1,000 temple. Meanwhile, Roro Jonggrang heard from the ladies in waiting that the building of 1,000 temple was almost finished. She was so scared. She didn't want to marry Bandung Bondowoso. And then she had a great idea. She asked all the ladies in waiting to help her. Hey! Hey! Please help me! Prepare lots of straw and mortars. Come on, hurry up, said Roro Jonggrang. All those ladies in waiting were confused. They didn't know why Roro Jonggrang asked them to prepare a lot of straw and mortars in the middle of night. Listen! build the temples, right? We have to stop them by burning the straw and make some noise by pounding the mortars. The genies will think that sun is going to rise and they will run away. The genies are afraid of sunlight, said Roro Jonggrang. And it worked. All those genies saw that sun rose. They didn't know the light was from the fire that's burning the straw, and the noise by pounding the mortar was like a start of a new day. But Bandung Bondo was angry. He knew Roro Jonggrang just tricked him. Hey! You can fool me, Roro Jonggrang. I already have 999 temples. I just need one more temple. Now, I will make you the 1,000 temples. No, 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 no. With his supernatural power, Bandung Bondowoso made Roro Jonggrang a temple. Until now, the temple is still standing in Prambanan area, Central Java. And the temple is named Roro Jonggrang Temple. The end. Okay, that's all of my story. Thank you very much for your attention and watching until the end. I hope you are keep healthy and stay at home. And please support me by click like and share this video. And don't forget to comment on below and subscribe this channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.